Are you frustrated with chopping and slicing fruits and vegetables by hand while preparing your meals? It's time to switch to a blender. With their powerful and versatile features, blenders can help you make smoothies, soups, sauces, and more in minutes. Say goodbye to tedious and time-consuming kitchen tasks and hello to delicious and nutritious dishes with a blender. We have selected 5 best options for all types of buyers, taking into account all the features that can help you make the right choice. For more detailed information and updated prices, check the links in the description below. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our future videos. So let's start with the first item on our list, which is the Vitamix 5200. Vitamix 5200 is a powerful blender that has a 2.2 horsepower motor that can blend anything from smoothies and soups to nut butters and frozen desserts. It also has a variable speed control that lets you adjust the speed of the blades to achieve the texture you want. You can start on low speed and gradually increase it as needed, or use the high speed setting for maximum power. One of the best features of the Vitamix 5200 is its large and durable 64-ounce container. This container is ideal for blending medium to large batches of food, and has a tapered shape that helps draw ingredients down into the blades. The container is also made of BPA-free plastic that can withstand high temperatures, so you can make hot soup right in the blender. The container also has clear measurement markings and a spill-proof lid with a removable plug. Another great feature of the Vitamix 5200 is its tamper. This is a tool that allows you to push ingredients down towards the blades, ensuring that everything gets blended evenly and preventing air pockets from forming. The tamper also has a collar that prevents it from touching the blades, so you don't have to worry about damaging them or your fingers. The Vitamix 5200 is easy to use and clean. It has a simple design with a speed dial and an on-off switch, and it doesn't have any preset programs or confusing modes. However, this also gives you more control over your blending process, as you can customize the speed and duration of each blend. To clean the blender, you just need to fill the container with warm water and a drop of dish soap, and run it on high speed for about a minute. The Vitamix 5200 is not only a blender, but also a versatile kitchen appliance that can help you make a variety of dishes. It comes with a getting started guide that includes recipes and tips for using the blender. You can also find more recipes and videos on the Vitamix website or app. The Vitamix 5200 also has a 7-year warranty that covers parts, performance, and shipping both ways. However, the Vitamix 5200 also has some drawbacks that you should be aware of before buying it. For example, some users have complained that the blender is too loud, too tall to fit under some cabinets, or too expensive compared to other blenders. Also, some users have reported that the blade gets dull over time after heavy use. The next one on our list is the KitchenAid Artisan K400 blender, which is a powerful and versatile blender that can handle a variety of ingredients and recipes. So let me show you what it can do and why I think it's worth buying. The first thing that stands out about this blender is its sleek and sturdy base, which comes in different colors to suit your kitchen style. It comes in few beautiful colors, and I love how vibrant and eye-catching it is. The base has a 1200-watt motor that adapts to the ingredients and maintains the optimal speed to blend them smoothly and efficiently. The second thing that I like about this blender is its unique asymmetric blade, which cuts at 4 different angles to create a powerful vortex that pulls the ingredients into the center. This ensures that even the toughest ingredients, like kale, almonds, or ice, are blended evenly and quickly. The blade is made of stainless steel and is very durable and easy to clean. The third thing that I appreciate about this blender is its ribbed glass jar, which has a 1.4-liter capacity, a convenient handle and spout. The jar is designed to create more turbulence and prevent air pockets from forming, which results in a smoother and more consistent texture. The jar also has measurements on the side, which are very handy for following recipes or portioning your blends. The fourth thing that I enjoy about this blender is its simple and intuitive controls, which include a dial, a pulse button, and 3 preset programs: Ice Crush, Icy Drinks, and Smoothie. The dial lets you choose from 5 variable speeds to customize your blends according to your preference. The pulse button gives you more control over the texture and consistency of your blends, and the preset programs are great for making common recipes with just one touch. Another thing that I love about this blender is its self-cleaning cycle, which makes cleaning up a breeze. All you have to do is fill the jar with water and a drop of dish soap, select the self-clean program, and let the blender do the rest. In less than a minute, your blender will be clean and ready for the next use. So those are some of the unique features of the KitchenAid Artisan K400 blender that makes it a great addition to any kitchen. Our next pick is Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen System. It is a multifunctional and powerful blender that can handle all of the blending, mixing, crushing, and food processing needs. This blender has been used for a while and has shown impressive performance and versatility. One of the features that stands out about this blender is its 1500-watt motor, which is one of the most powerful motors on the market. This means that it can blend even the hardest ingredients, like ice, nuts, seeds, or frozen fruits, without any problem. The motor also has a thermal protection system, which prevents it from overheating or burning out. This blender has a 72-ounce pitcher, which is large enough to make big batches of smoothies, soups, sauces, or frozen drinks. The pitcher has a sturdy handle and a spout for easy pouring. It also has a locking lid with a removable cap that doubles as a measuring cup. Ninja comes with its 8-cup food processor bowl, which can chop, slice, shred, or mix up to 2 pounds of dough in 30 seconds. The bowl comes with 4 different attachments: a chopping blade, a dough blade, a reversible slicing, shredding disc, and a grating disc. The bowl also has a feed chute with a pusher for adding ingredients while processing. Another great thing about this blender is its 2 16-ounce serving cups with to-go lids, which are perfect for making single-serve smoothies or drinks. The cups are made of BPA-free plastic and have a sleek design. They fit directly onto the blender base and have their own blade assembly for blending. This blender has simple and intuitive controls, which include a power button, a pulse button, and 3 speed buttons: low, medium, and high. You can also use the pulse button to control the speed manually. The buttons are easy to press and have LED indicators. These are some of the unique features of the Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen System that make it a great choice for any kitchen. Now let's talk about some of the pros and cons of this blender. Pros are following: it's very powerful and versatile, it comes with multiple components for different tasks, it's easy to use and clean, and it has a sleek and sturdy design. Now about its weak side: it's quite loud on high speed, it's bulky and takes up a lot of space, and it's expensive compared to other blenders. Number 4 on our list is KitchenAid K150, which is a compact and versatile blender that can handle various blending tasks. It has a simple and sleek design, with 3-speed presets and a 48-ounce pitcher. It also has some unique features that make it stand out from other blenders in its price range. It has a powerful 0.9 peak horsepower motor that can blend hard ingredients. It also has an IntelliSpeed feature that adjusts the speed according to the ingredients and the desired consistency. It has a unique asymmetric blade that cuts at 4 different angles to create a vortex that pulls the ingredients down into the center, ensuring even and thorough blending. The blade is made of stainless steel and is easy to clean. It has a 2-part lid that allows you to add ingredients while blending without stopping the blender. You can also use the lid cap as a tamper to push ingredients down towards the blade, especially when blending thick or frozen mixtures. It has a simple and intuitive control panel, with a power button, a pulse button, and 3 speed buttons: low, medium, and high. You can also use the pulse button to control the speed manually. The buttons have LED indicators that show the selected speed. It has a compact and lightweight design that doesn't take up much space on the countertop. It also comes in several color options to suit your kitchen style. On the other side, it has a somewhat small capacity compared to other full-size blenders, which may not be enough for large batches or families. It also doesn't come with any accessories or attachments, such as personal jars or food processor bowls. It doesn't have any preset programs or modes, which may make it less convenient or versatile for some users. You have to manually adjust the speed and time according to your recipe or preference. The KitchenAid K150 is a great blender for anyone who wants a simple and powerful blender that can handle various blending tasks. It has some unique features that make it efficient and effective at blending different ingredients and textures. It's also easy to use and clean, and has a sleek and compact design. However, it may not be the best choice for anyone who needs a large capacity or more features or accessories. And the last one on our list is Ninja BL610 Professional, a full-size blender that can handle various blending tasks. It has a powerful 1000-watt motor, a 72-ounce pitcher, and a simple and sleek design. It also has some unique features that make it stand out from other blenders in its price range. It has a total crushing blade that cuts at 4 different angles to create a vortex that pulls the ingredients down into the center, ensuring even and thorough blending. The blade is made of stainless steel and is easy to clean. It has a 3-speed control panel, with a power button, a pulse button, and low, medium, and high speed buttons. You can also use the pulse button to control the speed manually. The buttons have LED indicators that show the selected speed. It has a large capacity pitcher that can make big batches of drinks or meals. The pitcher has a sturdy handle and a spout for easy pouring. It also has a locking lid with a removable cap that doubles as a measuring cup. It has a 2-part lid that allows you to add ingredients while blending without stopping the blender. You can also use the lid cap as a tamper to push ingredients down towards the blade, especially when blending thick or frozen mixtures. It has a dishwasher-safe pitcher and lid, which makes cleaning up easy. There are some drawbacks though. It's not very quiet when running on high speed, which may be annoying for some users or neighbors. It also vibrates a lot when blending hard ingredients, which may make it unstable or move around on the counter. The Ninja BL610 Professional is a great blender that has some unique features that make it efficient and effective at blending. However, it may not be the best choice for anyone who needs more features or accessories, or who prefers a quieter or more stable blender. That's all for now. Please leave a comment and let us know which product category would you like to see the next video about. See you in the next one.